Today we're going to be showing you guys how to change out the key fob module on your AXIS XS750. First thing you gotta do is remove the hood, and you'll see it right here in a bracket with 2 Phillips head screws, and it's plugged in going underneath the hood. So we'll go ahead and remove both of those screws. And hold on to those because you'll need to put on the new one. And right here, we'll go ahead and unplug it. The plug will stay there, so don't worry about it falling underneath. There's 2 little clips on the side. You'll go ahead and pop those off and put it on your new model. Go ahead and plug that back in. You should hear it audibly snap. You go ahead and tighten those down all the way on both sides now. And then one thing is with your new, you get 2 sets of key fobs. And you'll notice on the key fob, you'll have a number. It'll match up with the number on your module. So on the back of your key fob, you'll see it right there, and it'll match up with the model on there. And that is it, and you are good to go.